Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to begin redecorating my home after the holidays. I went thrifting and got a few new pieces to add to my decor, and I'm also going to DIY a focal piece for my stairwell entryway. So to begin, I'm going to share this first piece I picked up at the thrift store. It was a beautiful handmade plant pot. It's a really heavy, solid piece, and the colors work perfectly in the area I want to put it in. I placed this pot in my entryway and put a small plant in it. I was missing all the colors that the Christmas decor brought in, so this touch of green adds just the right amount of life and color to the space. And behind this tree, I previously had a closet door, but it kept falling off and it was getting really frustrating, so I decided to do a simple, cheap fix, and I picked up this shower curtain and curtain rod on Amazon and installed it in place of the door. It adds some nice texture and a bit of warmth to this space as well. This next piece I picked up from the Amazon resale section. It's a Magnolia Home rug, but I got it for half the price because it was a return item. This rug really just sets off the space. The floor here was missing something like that, and I'm really happy with the way this looks. So now that I have the entryway completed, I'm going to add a big focal piece for the stairwell right above the entryway. I'm making some paper bag snowflakes. I made 3 different styles of this snowflake. I drew on some details to the top of the bag. Make sure you cut from the top and leave the bottom intact. After I had all 10 bags cut out, I started gluing them together with a line of hot glue going down the bottom of the bag and halfway up the center of the bag. also made some doily snowflakes to go along with these paper bag snowflakes. For these ones, I'm basically trying to turn it into the same bag shape that the paper bag ones were. I fold the doily in half and then fold the two sides in towards the middle, and then fold it in half again the other way. Then you glue the very center of it together, but make sure you leave a pocket on either side. You just want the center to hold together. You don't want it to be attached to the sides. Otherwise, it won't have much dimension in the end. So after you add the hot glue to the center pieces, put your hand in and push it away from the sides to make sure it's not all gluing together in the wrong spot. After you have all those completed, you glue these together in the same pattern with a line at the bottom and a line halfway up the middle, with the closed folded end of your pocket being the bottom. I also found these small baskets at the thrift store, so I'm going to add them to my focal piece as well. I tied a piece of twine to each snowflake and to these baskets, and then I attached them to my quilt rack that I have hanging in my entryway. But you could just attach this to any type of stick and hang it from 2 hooks on your wall. I also added this painting that I did a few years ago to the top of this shelf to brighten up the space. And that completed my entryway for this winter season. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!